Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Bluetooth pairing problems on Realme in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings on your device and simply toggle on Bluetooth on your device. Once you've toggled on Bluetooth, you'll have to head over to your Bluetooth settings on your device. Once you're here, you can simply tap on the eye icon right next to the device that is causing the problem, and then you can simply hit unpair to unpair the device and then repair with the device. If that does not work, then what you can try and do is head over to your long press on your power button on your device until the restart menu appears and simply swipe up to restart the device. You can also restart the Bluetooth device. If the issue still persists, simply head over to settings on your device through your quick settings, and then in the search bar you must type in reset and then hit reset phone. Once you're inside reset phone, simply hit reset network and Bluetooth settings, enter your lock screen password or verify with your fingerprint and reset your Bluetooth settings. If the issue still persists, then it is likely that the Bluetooth receiver on your device or on the device that you're trying to connect to has been damaged and you may have to visit the service center. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.